Hey guys, what's going on? My name's Daniel and welcome to Odin Fine Art Creations. I've been an artist pretty much all my life. I specialised in neo-traditional and Japanese art while I was a tattoo artist. I did a diploma of illustration, albeit not very good with Photoshop at the moment, but still. And yeah, now I'm just creating this YouTube channel and hoping to learn a lot from you guys, learn a lot from the art community, and I really look forward to hearing from you. I'm hoping to put out weekly tutorials on paintings, speed drawings, pretty much anything that you can that's in the art community. I'd like to dabble in a lot of different things. So yeah, that's going to be interesting. Sorry, I've got my little pain in the neck chihuahua wanting to play fetch when he doesn't know when to stop. So until then, I'll see you in a week's time, and I hope that you subscribe to the channel and hopefully we can learn a lot more about each other. Thank you.